Hello everyone! Welcome to HYUZ Korean. Have you ever wanted to speak Korean but didn't know where to start? I'm Karen and I'm so glad you're here. In today's lesson, you'll learn 4 essential Korean expressions that you'll hear and use almost every day in Korea. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to say hello, goodbye, thank you, and I'm sorry with full confidence. So, no complicated grammar, no pressure, and just simple Korean that you can start using today. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's start learning Korean together. So let's get started. Part 1. Polite Korean and Casual Korean. Before we begin, there's one important thing to know. So Korean has 2 common speaking styles, polite and casual. As a beginner, I recommend using the polite style. It's appropriate in almost every situation. When talking to someone older, meeting someone for the first time, or speaking with employees in restaurants or shops. Casual Korean is mainly used with close friends and families. Here's an easy rule. When you're not sure, choose the polite expression. Now, let's learn our first phrase. Part 2. Hello. The most common way to say hello in Korean is 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Repeat after me. 안녕하세요. Great! You can use this greeting almost everywhere, in a cafe, a restaurant, a hotel, or when you're meeting someone for the first time. The casual version is 안녕. 안녕. Use this only with your close friends. So remember, meeting someone new? 안녕하세요. Talking to a close friend? 안녕. Let's practice. You meet your Korean teacher. What do you say? 안녕하세요. Now, you meet your Korean friend. 안녕. Excellent. Part 3. Goodbye. Now, let's learn how to say goodbye. Korean has 2 polite goodbye expressions. The difference is simple. If the other person is leaving, say 안녕히 가세요. Repeat after me. 안녕히 가세요. If you are leaving, say 안녕히 계세요. Repeat after me. 안녕히 계세요. Here's an easy way to remember. 가세요 means go. 계세요 means stay. Let's practice. You're leaving a coffee shop. The barista stays inside. What do you say? 안녕히 계세요. Now your friend leaves your house. What do you say? 안녕히 가세요. To a close friend, simply say 잘 가. Great job. Part 4. Thank you. Now, let's learn how to say thank you. The most common polite expression is 감사합니다. Repeat after me. 감사합니다. Use this to teachers, employees, strangers, or anyone you want to speak politely to. Another common expression is 고마워요. It's a little warmer and more personal. With a close friend, simply say 고마워. Let's practice. A stranger helps you. What do you say? 감사합니다. Your friend buys you coffee. 고마워. Excellent. Part 5. I'm sorry. Now, our final expression. 죄송합니다. Repeat after me. 죄송합니다. This is the safest and most polite way to apologize. Another common expression is 미안해요. And with a close friend, you would say 미안해. One useful tip. If you need to pass through a crowded place in Korea, many people simply say 죄송합니다. It's similar to saying excuse me. Final review. Let's review today's expressions. 안녕하세요. Hello. 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye to someone who is leaving. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye when you're leaving. 감사합니다. Thank you. 죄송합니다. I'm sorry. Fantastic. Great job today! You know now the most useful Korean expressions for everyday life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to HYUZ Korean. And don't miss the next lesson. I'm Karen and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!